Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to show you how to enable EMMET in React.js. So if you're not aware of what EMMET is, let me tell you, it makes your coding really easier. It basically saves your time and makes you efficient. Let me just give you an example. It's like if you enter the short form in the coding environment IDE, then it will give you the full form. Something like that, okay? Let me just show you how you can enable EMMET in your VS Code so that it can make your coding easier and faster. So here you can see if I write h1, you can see the EMMET is not activated right now. And so if I have to write the header tag, I'll have to manually write h1, then I have to close it again, and then only it will give us the complete h1 tag. But if we enable the EMMET in React.js, then if we write h1 and press enter, it will give us the complete h1 h1 tag. Not only with h1 but all the other tags that we are going to use in React, like we use in HTML, these are going to be very easier with this EMMET. So let me show you how you can enable this. You have to go to this settings here, then go to this settings, and here in this corner you can see a little button here which says open settings JSON. Click on that, and here you can see in this settings.json file, below here you can see this EMMET that include languages is commented out. So you have to remove these comments. Let me just remove this. Okay, I have removed this. Now let me save it, and if I go to app.js now and show you, if I write h1, you can see here it's written EMMET abbreviation, and if I press enter, you can see this is done. This will give us the complete h1 tag. Now if we have to write paragraph and have to give it a class name, we can write p dot, let's say we'll give it the class name example, example, and press enter. You can see I have got a paragraph with a class name example. So this can make your coding really easier and faster. That's all for today. That's how you can activate your EMMET in React.js. In some cases the EMMET is already activated, so you can check it out. If it's activated, it's alright, and if it's not done yet, you can go to this settings and do whatever I just showed to you. That's all for today. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again.